Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to analyze the Zomedica. It's a development stage veterinary diagnostical and pharmaceutical company that engage in discovery, development and commercialization of pharmaceuticals for the companion pet, and yeah, the company is quite big, currently 2 billion. For information should not consider as investment advice. I made of the company 2 months ago, January 10th, when the price were at 0.48, and yeah, it grew from the, as you can see, from 2nd of November almost 60%. Yeah, and it actually keep growing till I think last month 2.70 the peak, but it's currently 2.15, so it's grew pretty much up, and Simple Wall Street shows that still the company earnings are forecasted to grow almost 70% per year, but it's highly volatile share price and shareholders have been substantially diluted in the past year. So yeah, there was a CEO change and shelf registration, earnings updates, and yeah, as you can see, phenomenal. The 1 year return 1000, almost 300%, of course beating industry in the market. Long-term price volatility considers lower than the industries. Yeah, and valuation side, so this might be overvaluated, currently 27 based on the PB. The price target shows that it's currently somewhere in 1.2 in tip ranks and also market watch. So we see here stock price an average 1.2 dollars, and yeah, future grow almost 70%. Earnings per share is forecasted to grow. It might become profitable in the end of 2023, so 2 years from now. Past performance, annual earning growth decreased by 27%, and unfortunately the company is not profitable currently. The financial health side, yeah, actually there is a little bit depth, 527k, and equity 63 million. So yeah, they do have cash 61 million, so this is pretty good. And yeah, the debt to equity ratio is not significant, 0.8. So on balance sheet there's a dot of red, so it's not significant. They are not paying dividends. And on insider volumes we see that there's in both sides, so individuals and one of the company, actually two of the company, but they are the transactions were last year. Yeah, the company brought 0.16. Ownership breakdown: general public 90%, institutions 6%, private companies 2%, and individual insiders 0.4. As we can see here, last reported holding date, Vanguard added 79%, Sabin management hugely over 2000, and many of the institutions and companies have been added. Because when I was reviewing this stock, as we can see in Finviz, the volumes were pretty high, almost 1 billion of the volumes, so it's pretty high. And as you can see, it went pretty much from there. So somewhere around here made the video, and yeah, but there's currently like not about a downtrend or uptrend. I think the price would be moving around those numbers, and yeah, if the business go well, it might grow, but if it doesn't, or if there will be some of the negative news, it could be dropping to, yeah, somewhere around dollar, or so somewhere between $1 and $1.50. Anyway, simple safe dividend shows that shares outstanding keep increasing, and total sales not influential information. But anyway, investing.com summarizing the stock for long-term investors as a strong buy. So yeah, there's a lot of a comment going on the stock, and many of them happy with the $2 they brought in, but I would be consider if the price is uh, really showing the valuation of this company. After hours shows that -2% almost. So yeah, fortunately we don't have pre-market here. But anyway, if we go to the maps and if we select 1 week, yeah, so there's, I think the next week will show what's the trend going on. So here's only S&P 500, but I think it will be growing from the for the most of the stocks. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.